So we're at Lake Mead. We're on our way to Hoover Dam, which is right down the street. They have a lookout point. And this is so pretty. Look at this.
Thank you. I'll take one more. Yeah, that'd be great.
Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful, Emperor?
Yeah, appreciate it.
See? So now we're sitting on the wall. Looking down at all of that. It's really pretty up here. We're here like in the late afternoon. About 4, what's it, about 4 o'clock, 4:30. So what do you think? Emperor? Take a sleeping. So now we're at the Hoover Dam. Where are you? There you are. So right now we're on the bridge that separates Arizona from Nevada. We actually parked our car in Arizona, which is funny. And so now we're crossing into Nevada. We're on the bridge of the Hoover Dam. And see over there it says Arizona time. And then on the other side it says Nevada time. Let's see. Oh, it might be on the other one. I think it's on that thing over there, because when we were coming by we saw it. Yep, so here's the Arizona, what is it called? Arizona something tower. Oh, Arizona intake tower. So that's Arizona. This separates Arizona from Nevada. And now we're in Nevada. And there's the walkway bridge to go across the Hoover Dam. There's all of that. So see, you've been to 2 states. 2 states within a second. It's like, it's hot, but it's 5:30, so it's not that hot. You see all that, Emperor? Man-made. And there's the Nevada time tower, just to show you how close they are.
Depicts the authorized purposes.
That's the Arizona one.
They are in order of
and here's the
precedence:
Nevada one.
river regulation, navigation and flood control, water storage for.
What do you see? Wait a second. The what? Yeah, that's another part of the. Oh, you see the helicopters flying up there. Yeah, you're right. Too. Oh, and there's a jet up at the top too. Up there, see? Way over there, there's a jet plane going. Where is it? I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but. You see it. You see it, huh? Yeah, you see the jet plane. Okay. Well, we've seen it. Now it's time to go. Oh, Boulder City is absolutely beautiful. If you ever have to come to the Hoover Dam, of course it's in Boulder City, but you have to come through it. The town is so pretty. All these little antique places and stuff. We didn't have a chance to stop, but hopefully they'll be open on the way back down and we can take a peek, because it looks really, really interesting. We found 2 old cars. That and a pink Cadillac. Awesome. Aren't these cool, Papa? I love this one. This looks like a hearse. It's an old. Yeah. That's an old Bel Air. You'd look good in that. Oh, what do you see? The pink cow? Yeah, that's different. A pink cow. Oh yeah, there's the magician.